Hello everyone, this is a continuation of the first video on predicting productivity index using from Wellhead data using machine learning approach. This second video we want to export the model, the best model we developed for predicting of new data. So we click on export the currently selected model in the models pane to the workspace to make predictions with new data. So we click here, OK here. So we are exporting this model. We are exporting this model, which is the best model so far. Let's go to the command window, and then the next is to export or import our data. So we first have to copy the input data. The first six values represent, or variables represent the input value. The last one is represent the output value or variable, which is the productivity index. So we are going to use the input. We are going to test the model by using the inputs and see whether the inputs can give us the output value. So let's create a file, a Excel file, paste our input. We save it as input data, input data, input. Save it as input. Whatever name you save it should be the same name in the model. So let's export or import this by clicking input, import data. This is the data we just input data. So you have 6 variables: wellhead pressure, gas oil ratio, oil flow rate, water cut, and pressure drawdown. Click here and close this window. Next, copy this model and drop it here. Inside this bracket, you type in input data and then click enter. So the input have generated, the input data has generated the output. So we are going to compare whether the output generated by this model is corresponding with the actual values. The actual values are the productivity index values. So let's compare them and know, and then we can now see the performance of this model. So let's quickly go to the model, paste this one here, and type in here predicted PI, and this one is actual PI, actual PI. So let's plot both of them side by side and see their performance. So you can see the the predicted value is corresponding to the actual value. That is why we are having this straight line. So we can also confirm this with going to the main model in the MATLAB. So you can see that this is how we can use machine learning approach to predict the using machine learning approach to predict productivity index from wellhead data. This can also be applied in the future by inputting your input data and predict the productivity index using the newly developed model. Thank you for watching. God bless you.